Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Of course this is your channel guys. I'm doing this for the community. I have these cars. I unbox them so that you guys can see these videos when you are actually looking for these videos to buy the car. This is something that never came to India actually. So I imported this. The prices were high initially, but I got this at a very reasonable price. There's a guy, he imported it and I think it was before 1500 something. So for a blister for Pop Race, 1500 is nothing, especially for a car like this. It is not a limited edition, but this is exclusive edition, even rare than the limited ones. So let's open this up. I really like this silver color. We see these kind of card art in mini GT James Bond cars. Silver cards. They always pop. The blade is very sharp actually. I don't want to cut the card or the blister wrong. And yeah, it's done. Usually I don't do this kind of stuff on camera, but I'm doing it for you guys so that you can see this can be cut like this as well. Let's close this first. So this is how it opens now, and you just need to pull the card out without damaging it. Let's pull the box out. Let's pull the card out. This is all cool, right? Look at that Pandem logo. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Very nice box. Gray color on the background. White car. White and black. Let's put this here. Like this. And this is your car. So this is the first time I'm seeing this sleeve over here, and why we have it I will show you. But before that, let's just open this. This is your crazy looking base. Oh, wow. Like the exhaust detailings, we have axle details over here, and you can see this is see-through. Like you can see the engine from the bottom as well. There is a bell detail. Every damn thing is there. Threaded wheels, of course. The side profile is sick. I really like how they created this black and white version, and on the skirt up to here they used black and they left it white. This is just amazing. And the golden wheels with Toyota logo on it. Side profile looks crazy sick. Wow. This is your wide back. Wow, this is the kind of back we want in a car. Exhaust detailings are there. They have painted them silver Toyota logo on it. We have really cool tail lights, and you can see there is, for the aerodynamics, we have these channels on the side of the bumpers. There is a good gap between the spoiler and the trunk. Here's your front. On the radiator it says Rarity. This is Rarity, but I'm greedy for this car, man. Wow. Carbon fiber hood, the headlights, we have wind wipers here with sheet wipers. This is very plain on the top, but it still looks cool. Oh wow, this is the kind of stuff Pop Race do, nobody else can at this price level. They have attached this bumper, the front bumper, with this spoke on both sides. Wow, you can see on both sides. And there is actually a gap here. There is actually a gap here. This is hollow. There is a gap in it. And we have red seats and white hollow cage, roll cage. You can see the roll cage inside. This is white. No. Beautiful. And yes, it rolls well. It rolls really well. Really smooth. So, why we had that cover on the front of this car? This is the reason. You see, the engine pops, and this is your engine detailing. We have twin turbo here actually. Wow, twin turbo, and it's a V8. No, it's a V10. It's a V10 with dual camshaft. Wow, this is just, you see that radiator? Oh my god, it's crazy, man, crazy. I love it. And the best part is, this is magnetic hood. You see, there is a gap, there is a magnet, and it just goes and fit like this. This one's coming out, but usually it does not. I don't know why it's coming out, but it's fine. I'm not going to keep it like this, of course. Okay, so no. So if you are going to push it like this, it's going to come out, but if it's just like this, it's not. I think it's fine. It's fine and it's fun. I love this car. And I was thinking, when I opened this Pandem, I was thinking this is low. But trust me, guys, this is super low. Let me show you. Let me show you. You see this? This is like low, right? But no, wait for this one. This is like super low, super duper low. There's like 2 mm clearance. I hope Pop Race start making those RBW Porsches like this. The stances of those Porsches are not good. That's what I don't like really about the Pop Race Porsches. If they are going to make them low like this, I'm going to definitely buy every single of them. Look at that gap. Just 2 mm gap. Man, I'm happy I got this. I'm really happy I got this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and trust me, if you don't have any of these two, you should have it in your collection. If you are a JDM fan, if you love Pop Race, if you really like Sylvia's or GR86, you should have these 2 cars in your collection. Just go grab them, find them. There are sellers, there are resellers, there are many Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups and people, those who are going to sell, and you are going to find these. You should find them soon, and you are going to thank me later for that. I know it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.